I guess that's the Hamburglar. That's what I'm assuming it is. Looked like he got into a little bit of a tussle. Hopefully I ain't pointing you down too much. Especially on this bike, the handlebars are lower, so I try to watch my posture even more. But sometimes I forget. Boop. That's actually smoother than that stupid, like this. Boom, boom. I don't know why they did that when they paved that road. That was just so stupid. When they resurfaced this road, I'm thinking they was using a wore out asphalt roller, because it's like wavy.